Welcome back to my channel Travel AV. Hi wonderful people, this is Vicky from India. So glad to be here with you. Join me as I explore one of the Paris most iconic experience, the Bateaux Parisian Seine River Cruise. In this video, we'll explore the top attractions covered by the Bateaux Parisian Seine River Cruise, as you can see on the screen. For more details including reference links from the official website and related YouTube videos, check the description box. This is my first day in Paris. In my last 6 Paris video, I covered the Eurostar train journey from Amsterdam to Paris, a detailed review of Hotel Ibis, a complete guide to Hop and Hop bus tour, the top 3 museums in Paris, Notre Dame Cathedral and Church of Saint Severin, and legendary Arc de Triomphe. Want to catch up? Check out my Paris playlist and find the exclusive booking links for trains and sightseeing tours in the description box. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and like this video. It helps the channel to grow. And don't skip any part of the video so you don't miss the highlights. Now I am walking along the Almas Bridge, taking in the stunning views of the Seine River as I make my way towards the Port de la Bourdonnais 75007 Paris, France, the departure point from my Seine River Cruise. Stay with me as we explore more of the Paris iconic landmark. The cruise lasts 1 hour and boat departs every 30 minutes, a perfect way to explore Paris at a relaxed pace. The ticket price is €17, offering a breathtaking views of city's most famous landmarks. Here you can see my ticket on the screen, which was booked by agent. However, if you are looking to book your own, you will find the official website link in the description box below. Now I am boarding the Bateaux Parisiens, one of the best sightseeing cruises in the Paris. Now my ticket will be scanned for entry onto the cruise. Let's get ready to set sail. My cruise timing is 4 p.m., a perfect time to enjoy the scenic beauty of the Seine River. The cruise offers an audio guide in 12 languages including French, English, Spanish, Italian, German, Portuguese, Russian, Dutch, Polish, Chinese, Japanese and Korean. After boarding, I made my way to upper deck of the cruise to enjoy the stunning views. As we set sail, we will pass under the historic bridges like Pont d'Alma, Pont Alexandre III and Pont Neuf. Did you know Paris boasts 37 bridges over the Seine River, each adding to its timeless charm and rich history? Now passing through a historical bridge, Pont d'Alma, famed for its scenic views and links to Napoleon III and Prince Diana. The next stop is Pont des Invalides, the lowest bridge on the Seine River, offering a stunning views of Les Invalides and the Eiffel Tower. The boat's height is very close to bridge. Have questions about the Seine cruise? Drop them in the comment below. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more travel videos. Now on the screen you can see Pont Alexandre III, one of the Paris' most stunning and historic bridge. It elegantly linking the Champs-Élysées area with Les Invalides and the Eiffel Tower district. Next we are approaching a footbridge and right after that we will see the historical Hotel de Sam. It houses the National Museum of Legion of Honor, showcasing France's highest distinctions. Next up you can see the iconic Museum d'Orsay, a stunning museum housed in a former railway station. It features an extensive collection of Impressionist and most Impressionist masterpieces. Now you can see the historic Pont Maria 17th century bridge built to connect Ile St. Louis with the right bank of the Seine River. On the left we are passing by the world-renowned Louvre Museum, home to iconic masterpieces like Mona Lisa and Venus de Milo, attracting over 8 million visitors each year. The Louvre Museum is the largest museum in the world, stretching nearly 730 meters and housing approximately 38,000 artifacts. If you agree, like the video and share your thoughts in the comment. After the Louvre Museum, on the right you will spot the Institut de France, an esteemed institution that houses France's prestigious academies dedicated to arts, science and humanities. Now we are moving towards Pont Neuf, the oldest standing bridge in the Paris, known for its rich history and stunning views of the Seine. Now we are approaching the Paris Law Courthouse, a historical judicial landmark that once served as a residence of French kings. Now we are passing through Saint Michael Bridge, a historic bridge connecting Ile-de-la Cité to the left bank, offering stunning views of the Seine River. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. On the left you can see the main Paris police headquarters, located right in the front of iconic Notre Dame Cathedral. As we cross the bridge you will see the magnificent Notre Dame Cathedral, a masterpiece of French Gothic architecture and one of the Paris' most iconic landmarks. After crossing the bridge, you will spot the historic Conciergerie Museum, a former royal palace and prison, famously known for holding Marie Antoinette before her execution. The city of love looks magical from the Seine River. Cruising through the Paris is a truly unforgettable. Whether it's a day or night, the Seine River Cruise is a must-do in Paris. This is a perfect spot to take the photo with the Eiffel Tower in the background. Our cruise is coming to end. Stay tuned for my next adventure exploring the Eiffel Tower. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel stories from beautiful places like this. Thanks for joining us on this cruise.